We decided to interview the vendors at the La Jolla Farmers Market. One man for Eden Tropics told us that it took him an hour and a half to set up and an additional hour and a half to take down. Since the farmers market is only open for 4 hours, he was wasting nearly half of his time just setting up. As we interviewed other vendors, we found that this was a recurring problem. So we decided that we wanted to help them by reducing the time it took to set up and take down their booth. The man working for Eden Tropics told us his process for setting up and taking down. He unloads his truck and carries every box of produce to a spot at the farmers market, and then sets up the tables and then places the produce on the table to make it look appealing to the customers. In response, we designed a product that is both a shelf and a table. This shelf table will help the user to store their products and carry their products from their car to their stand. This helps the vendors carry more items at a time and eliminates the need to move their products because the shelf can turn into a display table.
Our product minimizes time spent unloading and setting up the farmers market by acting as both a mode of transportation and means of display and storage. Our product features wheels that affords the user to push or pull their produce from their car to their stand without having to expend energy and time physically carrying their produce. The metal on the wheels signifies that they can be locked in place. Additionally, our product allows the user to optimize both storage and display space by rotating to change space. The hinges signify that our product can be rotated to afford either vertical and horizontal storage. Both the shelf and table positions feature knowledge on the world because the user already knows how to use both the table and the shelf.
In an effort to maximize storage space, users who transport their produce in taller vehicles may store their produce in the shelf position in order to utilize the vertical space, while users who transport their produce in more vertically challenged vehicles may take advantage of horizontal space by storing their produce both on top of and below our product in table position. Since the user will store their produce on the shelf table, the user can skip from unloading to displaying without having to set up. Likewise, the rotatability of our product gives users the option to display their produce in either vertical sections or altogether in table position. Each individual shelf on our product features a shallow wall, which anti-affords the product sliding off while transporting and unloading. Additionally, these shallow walls can be used to separate different types of produce while in table position. If we look under the table, we also see that there is a mechanism that allows the user to lock the shelf table in table position.